dumpster rental service in Canton, Ohio. Do you need a dumpster for your next big project in Canton, Ohio? Whether renovating your home, cleaning your garage, or working on a commercial site, we've got you covered. At Ohio Roll-Off and Dumpster Rental LLC, we're more than just a dumpster rental service in Canton, Ohio. We're a team that understands the local community. Our team is dedicated to providing timely, reliable service with your needs in mind. We're here in Canton, ensuring fast delivery and pickup for your project's success. No matter the project, we offer flexible options to meet your waste disposal needs. From home renovations to large-scale cleanouts, we'll help you choose the right dumpster for your job. Whether it's a minor cleanup or a big construction project, we're here to support you. Get your free quote, and let us help you keep your project on track with a reliable, affordable dumpster rental service in Canton, Ohio. Ready to start your next project? Call Ohio Roll-Off and Dumpster Rental LLC today at 330-453-0000. Don't wait, contact us now, and let's get your cleanup or construction project moving. We look forward to working with you.